Things are 99 cents a pound, not everything, but oh, this is my favorite broccoli.
Wow. I was like, if you don't get your stuff out of here.
Got your ingredients ready. You're gonna start cutting it up.
Yellow squash,
Okay.
celery, carrots.
That looks good, y'all, huh? What's up, Elliott family? We're gonna start this day off nice and right. I want to show you how beautiful her hair looks today. Aaliyah, I like your hair. You got nice curls, and what'd you do to it? You just brushed it out or what?
I don't comb my hair.
You don't comb it? Oh, okay.
No, I just put gel in it.
Gel? Okay. Can you do a little turn to the side so everybody can see your swag? We got a lot of ladies that watch our channel, so they're gonna want to see. Go, girl. Y'all comment down below how beautiful this girl look. Faith promised that she's gonna sit in a basket. Do you promise? Oh, she said she promised, y'all. She don't like sitting in a basket when we go to the store. She will fuss and fight and say, I want to walk. So we'll see. You promise. Say hi, Cash. Cash, are you going with us to Kroger?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Hey, Mom, by the way. Hey.
Hey, what's up, Bike?
Get in, baby. Hello. Look at all these bikes we got. Hey, y'all, we got to organize our garage. I know, that's your car. That's your car. We need to take you on your wagon soon, baby. We're here at Fry's, and look.
Look who's knocked out.
This girl right here. That princess right there. Cash, why do your sister bitches be passing out? We just took her out because we're parked, y'all.
Yeah, I unbuckled her. We're getting ready to head into Kroger. Fry's,
Kroger. You know what I don't like is that we have Fry's here, but everywhere else in the U.S., I think East Coast, Kroger, which is a brand that owns Fry's, is called something else everywhere you go.
I think it's like Ralph's, Fred Meyer's. We used to have a Fred Meyer's here, but it just changed to Fry's Marketplace.
Comment down below, what's the name of your Kroger brand grocery store so we know. All right,
There's a lot
y'all.
of them.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Trying to get in here, and we're making this recipe today. What's the recipe called, babe?
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew? Let's get up in here. Faith, you ended up getting in a basket, but you just need to sit down, okay? I know. What are you getting for your little chicken stew? Squash?
Zucchini.
Okay, squash and zucchini. You're doing a yellow squash and zucchini?
And I'm doing both.
You're doing both? Which one? This is just green squash? Is that what they call it? Just, yeah. Okay. There's 3 different squashes, y'all.
This is zucchini, that's yellow, and...
Yeah. And they're 99 cents a pound, so they're not expensive at all, so that's cool. You need corn for it too?
I need to cut it, so that's where I'll need your help.
It's so hard to cut corn, y'all. I don't know. Comment down below if you know a trick to do it right. Hi. We just passed carrots. You said you need carrots? There's some right there. You don't need too many, right? Okay. Here we go. Put it in there. Can you hold the celery, Faith? Here, you want to help? She like, You want broccoli? Would we be able to put broccoli in a chicken stew? Would that, or will it get too soft? I think it'll get too soft. Yeah. Oh man.
You can get a fresh broccoli though.
Yeah. You probably only need like four of them, depending on the cuts. And those are 99 cents a pound, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like it says low prices. Things are 99 cents a pound, not everything. But oh, this is my favorite broccoli, y'all. Baby broccoli is my favorite. Look, 2 for $5. When I make this, I use garlic, butter, and herbs, salt and pepper, of course, and it comes out phenomenal. Babe, look.
I like that.
That broccoli, yeah. I didn't know they had it here. Now I can start getting it for us. Here's some fresh thyme. K-Money want to use some thyme, so here. You're supposed to take the leaves off for your recipe, or you can put the whole thing in. She said it's strong, y'all. It smells strong. Oh, it does smell strong. Smell it. It smells.
That smells really strong.
You like it?
It smells like seasoning.
You smell it, Faith? Smell it. She said, ugh.
And look at her
Outfit of the day. I like your outfit. We also need some baby potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and get some. I know fingerling potatoes are good. The red ones. Oh, look at this Melody. Oh, petite purple? I've never seen purple ones. These are $2.99 for 1.5. We'll just get the petite Melody. That's variety. Babe, there's all types of different potatoes in here. They have the purple, I think, in it, and the red, the gold. We'll try that, huh? Something different. For Kendrick, I'm going to go ahead and get watermelon because they love the watermelon. It is $3.99 though. Oh my gosh. We'll get those. I'm gonna share with them. We like these healthy drinks. They're like a boost for your immune system. Turmeric. I heard turmeric's really good for you.
We tried it and it was no.
You tried it? No, this one has a pineapple. That's how I know you didn't try it. You're allergic. So I'm gonna get this to try it. Look at this one. You didn't see this? Probiotics.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
Yeah. This looks really good. Island blend. I'm gonna do this one too. Cash, you want some sushi, man? Which one you want? I'm gonna let him get his sushi. He loves it, y'all. You want that one, the New York Crunch Roll? All right, go ahead. Go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get some soy sauce to go with it. And watch mom. Sushi. Faith, you like sushi?
Put that down there.
Yeah, mom's allergic. Keep it away. There you go. I like these different little platters. Look, this one just has cheese and grapes. They got the veggie. And look at this one. Wow. That looks delicious. This one is cost $15. This one's $16. I don't know why. You want some pickles?
Yeah,
Those,
how much are they?
those are boar's heads. You know they're good. They don't have a price though. What, baby?
I want my balloon down.
Your balloon? You're talking about those balloons over there. She want one. Cash does too. I never seen this one. Cracked pepper hill turkey breast. It looks good. We're gonna get some Gouda over here. I'm gonna show you it. Oh, smoked Gouda, Chipotle Gouda. Ooh, that sounds good. And then ham too. Okay. Oh, Faith seen something she wants, y'all. She said that it is buy one get one free, but you know we don't need none of that stuff.
What?
We can let.
Muffins?
Yeah, she likes these. You want a muffin?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let you get that. We get one free, babe.
Okay.
And you know what? We're gonna get this for our coffee in the morning.
Look what Cash found.
What did you find, Cash? Something new?
Cotton candy sparkling water with 0 calories.
Oh, you want that, Cash? All right, and it's 0 calories.
Buy 2, you get 1 free.
Okay, so so for Aaliyah and Deshaun, they can have it too.
Yeah.
She's strong. Why are you pulling that, babe? Look at her.
Faith.
She is strong. She pulled it all the way over. Uh-oh, we see something new. Skinny Pop Kettle Corn. Sweet vanilla. We're gonna save this for a future video where we do a taste review from Kroger Hall products. Well, taste test, right?
Taste test.
Comment down below if you would like to see that. A grocery haul items taste test. It's this time we're not gonna go to the store per se before. It's just gonna be purely taste.
K Money got is it a bone to pick?
I sure do. Never have I experienced this. And let me try not to get messy. We were in the store. We were in the deli section. There was one person ahead of us. And this lady come up to us and she was like, "Excuse me, can I ask you guys a weird question?" We're like, "Okay." And she was like, "How many people are in front of you guys? Because I just had a stroke. I was crying in my car. And if there's a long line, I'll just skip this. I won't get my deli meat."
And we said, hey, you can go ahead and go in front of us because that's
Yeah.
the type of people we are.
I was like, "Go ahead and go in front of us. You just had a stroke. Like, obviously, what are you doing at the store? Number one."
Number one.
And
If I had a stroke, I would be laying down somewhere like a hospital.
we were waiting. We were like, "Okay, go ahead." She's like, "I don't need to go in front of you guys." And we're like, "But you just had a stroke. Like, go ahead and go in front of us."
Just go ahead.
So she was like, "Okay." And then she was like, she took her glasses off, looked up. It was like, "Wow, you're tall."
To me.
To you. And then
Okay.
she's like literally up and down looking. "You got a PlayStation shirt on?"
Yeah,
He was like,
yeah.
"Yeah." "Do you play football?"
Yeah, I used to.
"Used to." Wow. And then started talking to the kids, whatever. We're in line. They called the number, which was us next. So we said she's going to go ahead and go. She went ahead and ordered her little whatever she needed sliced. And then she proceeds to come back and look like, "Y'all got 5 kids. Wow. How do you do it? I got 2, blah, blah, blah." Just making little small conversation.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Because the deli was taking their time today. Then she proceeds to just be like, and I'm like, this heifer here.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Ooh.
We started out by being nice to
Ooh,
you. You said you just had a stroke.
Why are you saying heifer for her looking me up
Because
and
that
down?
is just rude. You do not do that. I don't care if somebody want to check somebody out. You do that with your own eyes and keep your comments to yourself. She was like up in, I mean, like in La La Land, like she ain't never seen no chocolate before. I'll just say that, okay?
I almost spit my drink out.
Some milk chocolate before. And I mean, literally. And it was so awkward. And I have this thing where I tend, when I don't like something, I will look crazy with my eyes. I don't know that I'm doing it, but my kids and they train say your eyes, and I have to fix myself. I must have had them eyes going, because she was like, oh, I'm so sorry. Not that I'm checking out your husband. I assume you two are married, right? Yes. 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 We married. She was like, I'm so sorry. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
I was like, if you don't get your stuff out of here, about to have a brawl up in this tent.
Oh, bro.
And she was like, oh, I assume you are a kicker because, oh, you're a running back or something. Like, I said, I will have you know, lady, he just lost some weight. Okay. She's like, and you're okay with this? Why the heck would I be okay with this? I'm fine with who I am. First of all, don't get me started at that nice side. But try me. Try me. Okay, money can get hood too. Okay.
Alright, I think we get a
I'm
little
just gonna leave it
ratchet.
right there. 'Cause I ain't trying to get messy, but yeah, don't try me.
Y'all, so that's what happened. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about that. Alright, let's go ahead and get to this recipe, what this video is about.
Got your ingredients ready? You gonna start
Yes.
cutting it up?
I'm gonna start cutting it up. This, I'm gonna need you to probably cut that in.
Oh Lord. Alright.
Carrots or celery.
Carrots and the squash that we just bought.
So
Yep. Let me show y'all how it's looking so far. What's in here, Vic? So far.
far I have
Chicken, onions.
chicken, onions, it's all seasoned.
Yeah.
And then it has some chicken, not stock or broth.
Chicken broth too? Okay. So what size cuts you doing for this, by the way?
Small.
Small? Got the corn cut up now. Wasn't hard as I thought it was gonna be.
I
Hey,
got
money.
the fresh corn. Last time it was frozen, so it made it hard for you to cut.
There's everything is in there, y'all, but this is the problem. You see how it's filled up? Let me go to the side. The top's gonna go on, but barely. So what we're gonna have to do after this cooks down is add it to another pot. And we got more veggies we couldn't fit. And K-Money adding her famous seasoning salt.
That's the key to everything.
That's her middle name.
Yes.
Lordy have mercy. You hooking it up. You got pepper in there too. Did you put the thyme in yet?
It's in there.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yep. So it's already seasoned. I'm just seasoning the vegetables to keep it maintained.
Cool. It's time to try this out.
Let's try it out, y'all. As we said earlier in the video, we had to move everything from the crock pot to the pot because we added more vegetables. And I went ahead and added some potatoes in here. So we have some purple potatoes. They're little petite potatoes.
That sounds
multicolor.
good.
So, ooh, here it is, y'all. Look at this. I shredded the chicken. And again, this has zucchini. It has yellow squash,
Okay.
celery, carrots,
That looks good, y'all, huh?
corn.
Looks
All right,
good.
so
Look at
Akron,
Kendrick. Look at
look at
Kendrick.
him.
He's like, give me my bowl
Give me my
now.
bowl.
Look at her.
Oh my gosh. Watch out,
Lordy.
baby. It's hot.
Yeah. Looks good. I'm going to taste test it. K-Money had to give me a special bowl. I feel special. Okay? I really do. She does these things for me.
Yes, indeed. So he is trying it now, y'all.
Look at that purple potato. Look how nice that
Look
looks.
at that. Faith, you have a bowl, baby.
No, I don't like it.
You don't like
Ah.
it. She had a bowl before I finished seasoning and mixing it into the pot. So you're on your second bite. So what's it tasting like?
It's a little bit of a smoky flavor to it. And it's really balanced, and balanced as in flavors is just the right amount of salt. And I could taste the thyme in it, and I really like how you have all these vegetables in it, but it don't
Yes.
taste like you're eating vegetables. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Because when I eat vegetables, I don't like tasting vegetables. It needs to have flavor. But
Gotta
these
hook it up.
vegetables are full of flavor because they got cooked into it. So K-Money, farm.com, .org, .net, .gov, .everything.
Hey. Yes, y'all, this is a dish my mom always used to make, and we would do a little side of some fried bread at times, but this right here is good enough. We got some crackers to go with it if you need some.
All right, y'all, popping up on the screen is a video where we did a haul and did a cooking video. Go ahead and click that. Enjoy
Yes.
it. Stay blessed.
And highly favored.
Peace.
Peace.